You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly. They have similar spelling, a little bit different, but the exact same pronunciation. The top one is a number. It's also a letter in the Greek alphabet. If you want to learn more Greek names from the alphabet in Greece, stay tuned. The bottom word is a cake, essentially. They're both pronounced as pie. Yes, top word, spelling P-I, pie, as in the pi number, to calculate different things in mathematics, pi, or a pie, like an apple pie, or a whatever pie, a custard pie. Pie is how you pronounce it, English pronunciation pie, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.